The Sangha takes on the vow to not make money, to not engage in pleasures, to not chase worldly pursuits. And they wear the robes and they wear the clothes of a person who has 100% adopted the practice of renunciation and to cultivate spiritual qualities. And if they cultivate these spiritual qualities, who benefits? You benefit. Why? Because when they cultivate the spiritual benefits that Buddha has taught, they are a living repository of the Buddha's teachings. When they're a living repository of the Buddha's teachings, you want them to focus their time 100% on giving Dharma or sharing Dharma with others. If that person who has become ordained can focus on the Dharma 24 hours, 7 days a week, and their whole lives, then you will get a pure member of the Sangha who can teach by words, by example, and by the way they live. So one Sangha member can inspire many, many, many beings to have renunciation and to achieve spiritual qualities. Because this Sangha member has dedicated their lives to the pursuit of spiritual practice, if you support them, you are contributing to their spiritual growth. If you give one meal, that day that their mind is full, that day when their stomach is full, and they can meditate and they can practice, is one step closer to their spirituality. Then their enlightenment, their ultimate goal, was achieved due to your contribution.